kuha muna natin ang report mga kapatid, okay? Saka natin i-email muna natin mga kapatid. Okay, successful. So back and then try natin i-clear mga kapatid. So ito use the function after replacing the skid control ECU or G and yaw rate sensor. This function is used to reset the running value of the skid control ECU. So sinasabi kung nagpalit ng ng ECU, skid control ECU or G and the yaw rate, so itong kailangan ng i-reset, pero kay hindi naman tayo nagpalit, so cancel natin mga kapatid. Punta tayo sa customize yan. There's a customized data, so test na mode, then this information we're replacing. Try natin. Welcome to the test mode wizard. This function is used to calibrate the yaw rate sensor after replacing the following component: ABS and yaw rate sensor. Please press OK and confirm the following condition: vehicle on the level surface, steering wheel is in the straight ahead position, shift is in park. Yan, naka-straight naman. Yan. Okay, and then engine is not running and ignition on. Kailangan lang naka-on. On and then press OK and please wait for 5 seconds. And then keep the vehicle station for 2 seconds or more. If there is the instruction for the waiting time in the repair manual, please follow it. Press OK to proceed. Okay. Next. When the ABS light and is blank, the calibration is complete. Please try again if the ABS is light. Ayan. Ayan, kaya nagbe-blank, ibig sabihin is calibration is completed. So okay, try nating off. Then on, start. Ayan, nawala na mga kapatid. Di ba? Nawala na. Yung airbag na lang ang mayroon mga kapatid. Kasi yung spiral ang problema nito mga kapatid. Okay? Okay, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. At sa muli sana na huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment at saka subscribe. At pakipindot na rin sa yung notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga video na mga i-upload. Okay, bye-bye.